John.
Didn't make it.
Kayla, you look sick.
I'm not. I just, oh my god, it's like spinning around and around and around and oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, John's sick. John, help me out. Hold on.
He's got to get Martin.
And you're still videotaping it?
Yep. I want to see how you look like a drunken sailor. Lightning. Auntie Michaela made a fool of herself.
Yeah, that didn't work because after he got me, I was done spinning. It was done
You're
spinning.
still a little.
Yeah, because of bird chip.